Okay, this is lesson 2 on how to create a quick 3D part in OnShape. So first thing I'm going to do, as I have OnShape open, I'm going to go to my OnShape account. You can see that I already have a folder called Unit 1, so I'm going to open that up. And now I'm going to go up to the blue Create button. I'm going to select Document. I'm going to call this one Demo 2. And in a second, you'll see my work planes open up. Now, as in the first video, I'm going to go over to my top work plane over here. I'm going to make it invisible. And I'm going to go to the right work plane and make it invisible. I just want to see my front plane. That's where I want to start drawing. So the first thing is I want to put a sketch onto this plane. Now I can do this 2 ways. I can either right click and hit New Sketch, or I can come over up on top of the menu bar and select Sketch, and then go and select the plane I want to work on. Now, once I do that, this little window opens up, and you should get in the habit of kind of moving this out of your way so you don't accidentally hit that red X and then wipe out everything you're working on. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to actually go up to my view cube and I'm going to flip this to front. So I'm looking straight at what I want to draw. Now my tools have changed. So I'm going to go up to my rectangle, and I'm going to pick corner rectangle. And I'm going to start right here on my origin. I'm going to left click once, drag open a box, left click again. Now I can go up to my dimension tool, which is right here, and I can just click on the line, drag it up, click again, and put a dimension in. I'll do the same thing over the side, click, drag, click again, put another dimension in. I'm going to go back to my rectangular tool, but this time I'm going to pick center point rectangle. I'm going to go back down to my origin. I'm going to click on the center of my origin. I'm going to open up a rectangle. I'm going to left click again, and I will go and dimension this one. So I'm going to give that dimension, we're going to give that one a dimension of 3, and we'll give this one a dimension of 3 also. Once I'm done with drawing what I want to draw, I'm going to grab my little box right here, and I'm going to hit the green check mark. Now I need to get back in isometric view, and from my previous videos, you can know there's 2 ways. I can either go up here and hit the corner, or I can go to this little view box, click on it, and then hit isometric view. This brings me back to my isometric or my home view. So now we need to give this some depth, and that's called extruding. So that's the first icon right up here. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to come over to my sketch, and you'll notice that parts start turning orange. When they turn orange, that's what it's going to extrude. So now this one's going to extrude that shape. I'm going to come down and extrude that shape. When I got what I want, I'm going to hit my little green check mark, and there is a simple extruded part. Hope you like the video.